Mtoto analilia jeshi, muache ataona mwenyewe, akitembelea sote kulia mulima tutapanda, akitembelea sote kulia mulima tutapanda. Ayayena sema kweli nani? Ayayena mayo mama. Voy a cotavina morro tu. Boleh lagu kina wa motor aku mah.
So my beautiful people, my family, my people of good heart, hope you're doing very fine. Yeah, even me back here to this village of Nyabuhanse that borders the Kenya and Tanzania, we are doing fine as a family, and we thank God for the gift of life and for His mercy, because you know it's Him to plan for you to wake up and for you not to wake up. So I can say God is very merciful, and gratitude to Him for giving us this chance again, so that we can at least share 1 to 3 things as a family. So let me take this opportunity, this chance, to greet you all good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, depending on the time that you might be watching this TV. Yeah, of Max One from Kenya. For sure, I also want to take this chance to thank all the incoming subscribers, for the returning viewers, for my subscribers who always come and watch my videos every day, advising, sharing, commenting, liking the video, and also sometimes you go an extent for you even to tell me what to do. I don't take that for granted. I want to say that I am so happy, deep from the bottom of my heart. You hold a special part in my heart. No one can ever replace you as a family. More especially, I feel I have a big family outside there. As I usually say, you know, when I started this YouTube channel, we were few in number, but now we are growing together, doing great things together. And even today, I'm going to speak something that we are doing, something that I myself don't believe that we could have done as a family. And yes, I can be the one doing it, but it is because of your support, encouragement, always telling me, Max One, please do this, go this direction. We as the family, we care about you. We don't want to see you going on the wrong direction. And I promise I will always follow your advice, instruction, and I know together we can, because strength, unity is strength, and when we can separate, then we can fall. So let me take this chance to address 2 issues. Yeah, on the previous video I did, for sure I wasn't feeling, so my heart was troubled, and that is why you saw me doing that video. Because me, I said I should focus on positivity, of which I usually do the right video, because when I say the truth, things get out and people rectify their mistakes, because we cannot cover untruth things in the village pretending that we are honest people when things are going astray. So me, what I usually say is the truth, and I'm always positive, and I don't want to focus on negatives. So my family, I'm going to address this. Right now, I am doing a great thing in the village, trying to build my dream house in this village, in this Kenya, in Africa, yeah, where my children can call a home, where my family can come and see me, where I can shout and say this is my home as Max One from Kenya. For sure, sometimes I do feel so emotional because this is just God's miracle, not me. It's God's miracle. Because I can't say, I'm doing this. No. This all is happening because of the Almighty, who has mercy, who created us in His image and gave us wisdom so that we can relate and even help each other. And I'm going to want to say that as a family, if you're going to want to support Max One from Kenya, any kind of donation is accepted from the bottom of my heart, and my family will always be thankful. Receive my greetings from my beloved mom. She's very happy. I'm doing some step. Receive my greetings from my wife, my lovely wife. Yeah, she's very, very happy. Always thankful for the support you always give us. So without wasting a lot of time, let me go to the topic. Yeah, the other time, I brought 2 trucks of sand. Yeah, each truck costs at 8,000 Kenyan shilling. I wanted to make the blocks because here we have types of sand. We have grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. So the people who make the blocks advised me to get grade 3, which have got small stones. But when I came and sat down with my pen, started calculating, when I wanted to make the blocks, I could have needed around 40 bags of cement, not even 40, because I wanted 3,000 blocks, and 1 cement gives 30 blocks. So 3,000, if you divide by 30 blocks, it will give you around 40 something bags of cement. 41 there, around 41 bags of cement, which is very expensive to me. As usual, advise me, Max, just stay calm, do things that you are able, and I always take your advice so seriously. And that is cement. And the trucks of sand, I had to bring around 4, not even 4, 5, because one truck of sand can give around 570 blocks. Yeah, it can give around 570. So 570, that means I might be needing 6 trucks of sand. Trucks, those big trucks that carries the sand, and one goes at 8,000. So 8,000 times 6, that is 48,000. plus the bags of cement plus the water plus now the labor now, someone who is now going to make your blocks. It depends now, because you are going to pay him 10 shilling per block. So 10 shilling, if you calculate 10 times 3,000, that is 30,000. So when you take the 48,000 of sand, 6 trucks of sand plus 30,000 of the labor, that is already 78,000. And you come again and take the cement, the price of the cement you add, that is around 100,000, which is very expensive. So when I was having my advisor, my wife, she told me, Max, let's do the bricks instead of the blocks. First and foremost, the bricks are very strong. The red one, yes, the red one, they are very, very strong. And if we can take around 35 Kenyan shilling, 35,000 Kenyan shilling, you divide by, because one brick goes with 7 shillings. Let me calculate it for you and tell you. Yeah, you can take 35,000 divided by 7. Yeah. Is one. You'll get 5,000 blocks. You get 5,000 bricks. Yeah, so 5,000 bricks goes with, when you multiply by 7, it goes with that 35. So when you buy 35,000, when you buy 5,000 bricks, you are going to pay 35,000 Kenyan shillings. Instead of maybe using the blocks, that is very expensive. And I'm not saying that this 5,000 bricks might be enough, but it is somehow cheap, you know. Even if I decide to buy 8,000 bricks at 7, yeah, it is a little bit cheap, because that is around 45,000 Kenyan shilling. So that is why I've chose the bricks against the blocks, you know. And the bad thing is that when you have someone who is making these blocks and does not know how to make the cement with the sand, the house will crack and the house will fall down. Yeah, because you know, you want to build a modern, not a big house, but a modern good house. Yeah, something that, a house that when you come, will say for sure, Max One, you did a nice thing. And also, you know, advise me, because you are family. You can tell me, Max, you can do this, you can, yeah, and we move together. Yeah, because we are a family, and 2 heads are better than one, as my wife usually advise me and tell me, let's do this and this. Yeah, so you are also welcomed as a family. You can share, you can advise me, you can advise us and tell us what to do. Even you can tell me the kind of house that you're gonna want me to build, because you're a family. Yeah, this house is also yours. Yeah, so, and today I'm going to take another step, because we've already brought the 2 trucks of sand, which each truck costs us 8,000, so that's 16,000. So today we are going to bring the trucks of stone, 2 trucks of stone, yeah, each again costing at 7,000 Kenyan shilling. that is 14. So when you take the price of the sand plus the stone, it is 30,000. And I'm not saying that maybe the 2 trucks of stone will be enough. No, for the beginning, yeah, because I'm going to bring the ballast, 1 truck of ballast, which goes by 15,000 Kenyan shilling. It is around 15, if not 15, 14, yeah, thousand, because that is to make the, when they will reach at the lantern, you have to use the ballast. The septic tank we are building, we have to use the ballast. The borehole, we have to use the ballast plus the small stones, because you have to cement this, the borehole. Yeah, so the ballast is very important. Yeah, so if I get 1 truck of ballast, that will be enough. Yeah, that will be enough. Yeah, so my family, as I've said, so from here I'm going to see the someone who can bring for me the stones. Yeah, you know, we want to do step by step. We want to bring the materials together. After bringing the materials together, I know the only problem, big problem is there, is the cement. The cement and the bricks. Yeah, but once all those have been assembled, and the ballast, when you get those 3 things, the ballast, the cement, if you can get 60 bags of cement, if you can get 60 or 70 bags of cement, you get 1 truck of ballast, and we get 5,000 or 6,000 bricks, you are ready to go. Yeah, because already I'm doing a step, you know. Already the sand is there, the stones I'm going to bring them today. Tomorrow we are going to see another thing. Yeah, so anything that you might be touched from the bottom of your heart and say, we are family, let us support this young man from this village, Max One, because he's our brother, he's my son, he's our son. Yeah, anything is accepted. May it be $1, may it be $2, may it be 1 bag of cement, anything that your heart touches you, so that we can build this together as a family. Yeah, and you can also tell me the plan of the house that you're gonna want me to build, what you think, because I'm not going to build a store, because I'm not going to start by the store and I don't have enough money to maybe to start a store, then I go to the house. So me, I will avail the materials. After availing the materials, this bag of cement, we shall be agreeing with the mason. If they want to use 4 bags of cement per day, then I'll be purchasing those 4 bags of cement, because I have no place to store. I haven't built a store where I can store my things. So we shall be moving systematic. Yeah, because the masons also usually build, one mason, top mason, can build 2 bags in 1 day. So if there are 2 top masons and they are right hand man, they can build 4 bags. So we are able to buy those 4 bags that day. Then if they come again, I can purchase the 4 bags in the morning and we start the work. Yeah, so hope I've shared something with you. So from here, because it is very early in the morning, it is around 8 a.m. and my wife is not around. She's at my mom's place preparing the breakfast. Yeah, because you know, she has to cook, they have to cook together. She has to take care of my mom, especially in cooking. Yeah, because when we are here, my mom cannot go to the kitchen and cook, and my wife is there, so she has to help him in doing the chores, washing, mopping the house. Yeah, they are there with Junior, Max Junior. My daughter has gone to school. Yeah, so be with me as I'll be moving from here, and I'll be showing you how we are getting the stone for the foundation. Actually, the stones are for the foundation. If we can get three tracks, but I'm going to get two today. Each track goes by 7,000. So if we get two today for the start, if they won't be enough, then we can add another one, because I'm going to build my plan of the house. I'm going to build a house with a kitchen, a dining, a small store, the bedroom of my daughter, the bedroom of my son, and the master bedroom. And if the plan will allow, then I'm going to fix a bedroom for the visitors. So it will be a big house, but not so big, but simple house, and it will have a dressing wardrobe, and the toilet, the inside toilet, because I'm digging a septic tank that will be taking all the wastes from the house to the septic tank. And also you shall have the out toilet, which will be used with many, but the inner toilet is for the family and for the visitors who have come and slept in the house. Hope you get me what I mean. And that is what we are going to do. So my family, you can advise me, tell me, Max, let's do this. Yes, I know you are good people, and may I love you from the bottom of my heart. And I know together we can do it. Because my heart is just very open. I have nothing against anyone. No one is perfect. If I ever wronged you, especially my family that I have, because I might do something that might even have wronged you, just forgive me, because I'm not perfect. And that is why we are human, and mistakes are to human. For sure. So my family, thank you very much. As I'll be leaving this house, I'll be showing you what is happening, and also we are trying to make the roads here to be passable for the people. And you can see even the launching of the airstrip had been launched from all the way from Nairobi. To nearby our village here we shall be. Now the visitors will just be flowing, and they are welcome, so that we can go to Masai Mara, Serengeti, game reserves. So this village is yours. No one should scare you, whether you are. This is a free village. Kenya is a free nation where everyone is not restricted to come. Anyone who restricts you to come here, and he or she is here, then is mad. Yes, because this village, we as the people who were born here, we've not restricted anyone to come here. Let no one restrict you from coming here, and he was not even born in this village. Me, I'm just observing things from a distance. People trying to say other people should not come in this village. Now they have become God to restrict people. That is what, when I say such things, people misquote me, people misunderstand me. What I don't want is someone to pretend like he owns Nyabohansi. You know, Nyabohansi is just a name. It's just a name that is known to the world. But this village is a very big village. So feel free, come. And if you're gonna want to come, you just call me. My details are on my description. All the things that you need, my WhatsApp number, my number, my name, everything. If you're gonna want to come, and no one will touch you, no one even will ask you whether you are who or who. Just come. This village, no one is perfect. People make mistakes. Yeah. So let no one scare you. Oh, you are not welcome in this village. You are very much welcomed, and I'll be looking forward to receive you, as a family, to receive you. We work together, we interact, we go to Tanzania here. Yeah, we go to a lot of places here. Any place that you're gonna want me to show you, I'll show you. Yeah. So I think this is where I will end in this house, and I'll be showing you what is happening in our village as I'm heading to the site where we are building my dream house for my family. Yeah. And please like the video, comment, gonna share. Yeah, and God will bless you and bless you abundantly. Yeah. And anything that you see Max One can rectify, don't hesitate to correct me, because as I've said, I'm not perfect. Yeah. So thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. So this our road will soon be tarmacked. Want to be tarmacked, and you can see that they are extending the length here and here. So they are extending, so they want to tarmac it. Yeah, soon it will be tarmacked. Yeah. So very soon this road will be, and you can see the pipes. We have the water. We have the water, but because they are doing the road, they are digging the road. These pipes, they have been removed. Yeah, because they are. You can see even this there. So maybe after they have dug the road, they have tarmacked the roads, now they will be able to connect the water, because you can see the pipes. Yeah, when this grinder was passing, it's tempered with the water. Yeah. So this is our village, and see people are building these houses. Yeah. Let's take a look. See the daily cows. There is the hybrid. Mbeno mosani na. Nkam babu.
Nambani pitisio.
Sa.
Pitisio via viro monto mandana roba guccia.
Aroba. Family, my wonderful people, I have arrived at the site. As you can see, you are able to view. Yeah, so they have brought one truck of the stones. So I'm waiting for them to bring another one, and I'll be showing you. And when the truck will come again, I'll show you. So they are bringing 2 trucks of stones today. You know, everything must be planned systematically, bit by bit. Yeah, and to me, I can say I'm very, very grateful. So me, I'm very grateful to the Almighty for everything, for the gift of life, for Him encouraging and everything, for Him giving me a good, wonderful family who always come and watch my video. You know, you always volunteer yourselves. Bundles, and you watch the video, you encourage me, you support me. For sure, I don't take it for granted from the bottom of my heart. I am very, very grateful for that, and I'm always praying for you. May always you get what is rightful for you, and also God to bless your family and bless your family so much. So me, I'm here and I'm just relaxing here waiting for them to bring the stones. Actually, today is on Monday. Yeah, and tomorrow, yesterday I was looking for someone who has got bricks. Yeah, and I have explained why I want to use the bricks than the blocks. The bricks are more stronger. They are even stronger. When you find someone who is doing the blocks and is not mixing well the cement, yeah, the blocks might end up cracking. But if you have bricks are very, very strong. They last for long, and you can build a very strong house. So that is why I have gone for the bricks, and they are a little bit much cheaper. One goes for 7 shillings, Kenyan shillings, and the block goes 70 or 50 shillings, depending on the kind of the block you want. So my good people, for sure, may I have nothing to repay you back. God will pay you. God will bless you. So you keep on support this young man from this village. Me, always I do say, let's go to the positivity. Yeah, because we are one people, and we should always do the positivity and ensure that we reach where we're gonna want to reach in a good way. Yeah. So I'm very grateful, and let's see how we do it. See how we do this, because I want to build my dream house. Yeah, I know it is not going to be big, but I just build a small house. I don't want to expense a lot, and I don't have that funds for building big house. I only need a place where my family can come and sleep. Yeah, and we are ready to go. So I can see the truck has arrived. So let me show you, because I had come to relax here to see. So they have arrived, and I'm showing them direction. Sawa. Yeah. Kuma hamwe kuichuria bara hamwe twa kuichuria.
Wena mambe hiyo kuma hai. Ata hana ta kuichuria on kiko ba kota. Me yute ko tola kama musensi ko era non kama ka ko.
To kuma
Ko kiko be. Na wewe biro ko ko.